Okay guys, today we're gonna have a look at the adjustable trigger of the Wolverine MTW. First things first, we need to open up the MTW in order to access the trigger. This is done by taking out the rear body pin. The body pin might not come out very easy the first time. If you have any issues pushing it out by hand, give it a tap with a hammer to get it going. Once you've opened up the MTW, first thing to do is to disconnect the battery. At this point, you can also take out the front body pin to make things easier to work with. Move the battery cable over to the side to reveal the trigger screws. The first screw is used to only hold the trigger in place on the body pin. The second screw is where you can adjust the trigger pull. Turning the screw clockwise will make the trigger pull shorter. Turning the screw counterclockwise will make the trigger pull longer. For the purpose of this video, I will set the trigger as tight as possible while making sure I still have a functional safe. In order to do this, put your fire selector in the safe position. Start turning the screw while pressing the trigger a few times to check for play. Once there is no more play, you have reached the shortest trigger pull with a functional safe. You could go for an even shorter trigger pull without using the safe. However, you will need to be very careful with the trigger. If the trigger is blocked and you start to apply pressure with the screw, you could snap the trigger. After you are done with setting the trigger pull to your likings, simply reassemble the MTW, plug your battery back in and enjoy. Have a nice day.